Hello students, good morning everybody. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. Now in this session we will continue the previous class of the 4th standard 4th Olympiad Mathematics. In the Olympiad Mathematics we started the first chapter, his name is our numbers. We already started this chapter. So in the chapter what we learned that what is the greatest number and smallest number, how to remember that numbers. We all this completed in the previous lectures. If you want that lecture you can go through also. So I will provide the links below of this video. You can, if you want, you can watch again. Now in the last class we completed also expanded form and standard form of the digits, and we completed still the here think and answers. First think and answers right in expanded form and standard form. Expanded form and standard form we completed in the previous year. Nothing but here see that these are the standard forms, these are the expanded forms. If you write answer in this form, that is called expanded, and if you are writing this form common, how we are calling the numbers, these are the standard form, guys. Now in this class we will see that in next values are place values and face values. What is the meaning of the place value and what is the meaning of the face value? I will tell you one thing to you, just you can remember this. Here see guys, everybody concentrate here. Here there is a one number 56876613. In we can call in either this is in the form of Indian system or international system. How to remember this? Here see the commas. With the help of, by seeing the commas, we have to decide that either this form is international or Indian. Here commas after 3, first after 2. So 3 2 will be possible in Indian system. If all 3's are there, then that should be in international system. Now this question in Indian system they gave. So on this question, what is the place value? First we are concentrating on place value. What is the place value? Here write the place value of 6 in the given number. Before that, just read this statement. The place value of the digit is recommended by its place or position. Okay, if the digit moves one place to the left, it is the value increase 10 times. Yes, we know this statement. So here from this statement to this statement you move that. Here see that here they are not mentioned which 6 value. Here there are the 2 6 values are there. Here is a 1 6 and here 1 6. To understand this question, just assume that this is 9. To understand the question clearly, just assume here only 1 6 is there. Other than 1 6 there is a no 6. So you consider here this, just in this particular question 9. Now 59,87,613, just assume that. Now you have to write is a 6 place value. What is the 6 place? Ones, tens, hundreds. So here is a what? 6 into, it is in 100 position, na? Just write 100. So your answer is 600. Your answer is 600. Completed. That is, for example, if you want 8 place value, write the 8 and count that ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s into 10,000. So finally how much is the answer? 8,000 or 80,000. 80,000. 4 zeros now? 4 zeros. 80,000 is your answer. So in this way you have to identify the solution for the question. Okay, I hope you understood how to write this. Right, now see for the next. See that. What is the place value? Place value, sorry, this is the place now, this is what? Face. What is the face value? Face value is nothing but number itself only. Face value is nothing but number itself only. For example, here the question, write the face value of 5. If here 5 is there, your answer is 5 only. If here 4, the answer is 4. Means that here there is a 5. 5 itself the answer. Face means 5 itself is the answer. Now see the statement. The value of an individual digit is called its face value. The value of an individual digit is called its face value. So means that if they mention the 5, answer, if they gave the question in mention 5, answer is 5. Here if they mention 6, answer is 6. If here they mention 1, answer is 1. How much is the question? That is a question only, answer guys. Nothing more than that. In our words, in common words, question only the answer. Right? Now, see that next paper. If you solve this think and answer, then you will you may get good knowledge. You may understand that. Now see that. First write the place value of underlined digit. Okay, colored underline. Here there are 2 7s are there. Here they mention here only 1 7 is underlined, this 7. So place value means just write the whatever the number is there 7 and count the position 6 ones, tens, hundreds into 100. That is equal to 700. That is the answer. Now in this case, what is number? 9. 9 into what? Into how much? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s into 10,000. So is equal to 90,000 is answer. 90,000 is answer. Now here is 1. 1 into how much? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. So for lakhs how many zeros? 5 zeros. Just write 5 zeros. That's the answer. Now remaining 2 problems, can you solve these problems? Yes. Now remaining 2 problems you can. Try to solve this problem and send to me. Write your answer in comment box. Write your answers in comment box. Now see the next 18, question number 16. Face value, what I said, what is the question? 2, that is the 2 only the answer. Here where the underline? 4, 4 is the answer. So remaining, can you? Yes. Now see this. Yes, I hope you everybody knows that how to compare that. Here there are the few symbols are there. See that the symbol is greater than, less than, or equal. Greater than, if these two sides, open sides are your side, it is called greater than. If open sides are in other side, then you can call less than, and you know this equal. With the help of this, you have to compare which one is a greater and which one is a minimum, least. Greater or least, we have to conclude with the help of these 3 symbols are equal. Go for the next. Now here I will tell you one trick to you how to compare the numbers. I will tell you one fantastic trick to you. See that here numbers are 3 7 9 4 8, give the sum space 3 7 4 9 8. Yes, this is the question guys. When you are comparing, how to compare, do you know that? Don't read the question 37,948, 37,498. Don't read. While you are reading this, what happens? We are not a machines now, you are human beings. We may forget. 948, 498. The numbers are same, but they just shuffle that. They just shuffle it. So you may get confusion. So to overcome that confusion, my trick is, our fantastic Olympia trick is what? What is the first digit? 3. Here also 3. 3, 3 both are same na? Yeah, both are equal. Here 7, here also 7, equal. Here is what? 9, here is what? 4. Out of 9 and 4, which one is the greater? These two are same, these two are same. This 3 7 is same, 3 7 is same. So leave it about that. The next is what? 9, here is what? 4. Out of these two, which one is the greater? Absolutely we know that 9 is the greater. That is the answer. Got it? Now the next question. So if you solve in this way, you can't forget that. You say there is a no need to by heart also. There is a no need to by heart the question. Now see that. Next question is 99081 space 99801, right? First, now tell me the answer. Yes, the question is 99,081, 99,801. So don't read like that. First two digits, first two, 9 equal. Here 0, here 8. Out of these two, which one is the greater? This is the greater. That's the answer. Right? So, in this way, can you solve remaining three problems? These three are your homework. Solve the answers and write your answers in comment box. Right? Up to that, you prepare this, and next class I will meet you in the next video in ascending and descending orders of the numbers. Okay, and try to write after completion of this, not only these problems, take your own problems, take your own and try to write, solve the more and more problems. Up to how many problems? When you feel that comfortable with this numbers. And today's topic on this video, whatever we topics are completed, work on that, take your own examples, try to find the solution. Up to how many solution questions? If you ask the question, how many questions I have to solve? When you feel the comfortable, flexible with this number. Now we have to say that you can give any number, sir, I will give the answer within 1 or 2 seconds without pen and paper. So I hope you guys are enjoyed this class. Now take the leave, and if you are watching this video as the first time, please subscribe our channel. That is name is Smart Study. What study? Smart Study. And click on like button. If you like this video, like, don't forget, and click on bell icon if you want more videos. If you want more videos to get, then click on bell icon also. And if you like also, you share to your friends to help to others also. Okay, up to that, bye bye, sign off. Thank you.